Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Engine warmed to normal temp and the car secured with parking brake. Do this so you avoid thermal surprises and movement. Once done, put the transmission in neutral or park and ensure the clutch or selector is disengaged. This lets you rev safely. Make sure no dashboard fault lights are active because they can alter idle strategy. While you're here, note current idle RPM so you can measure change. It helps you understand how much adjustment is needed. Now you'll change the idle. If the car has a manual idle screw, turn it in small increments and count RPM. If it uses electronic throttle control, use the manufacturer's relearn or throttle calibration routine because it prevents limp modes. Increase RPM in 50 to 100 RPM steps while watching engine vacuum, coolant temp, and tach readings. Abrupt jumps can cause stalling or overheating. Once you reach your target, let the engine stabilize for a minute to confirm the ECU adapts and trims fuel and timing. Finish by testing the new idle under real conditions. Turn on a /C and accessories so you see how the system compensates and whether RPM stays stable. If the tach fluctuates or the engine hunts, suspect vacuum leaks, dirty MAF or throttle body, or a failing idle control valve, address those components because they cause instability. If problems persist, reset learned ECU values and repeat the calibration. Make sure to revert to the original idle if you cannot get a stable, safe setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.